I thank Gene and Bonika and all you guys for welcoming and being part of your group. Okay, during the preparation for my journey, my adventure, you have to get all your tools just like everybody does. So this is my toolbox, and what I done, I went ahead and from the videos and all that, you're supposed to carry a table to set your workstation and all that. So I decided to create my own invention, I guess, so to speak. So I purchased my toolbox and I set my workstation also along with my table together. So I got the toolbox, you get all your tools that are necessary, get all your tools from here that you need. Then what I did is I prepped some Velcro on top of my toolbox. I used the measurements that would allow me to carry a portable table in the toolbox where I could take it out, set it on the machine. And this is made out pretty much out of PVC. You gotta get something that's lightweight because you don't want to put too much weight on your box. I work for a graphics department in Florida doing signs, so I selected some material that is lightweight because when you do signs, you want to make sure they stay on the wall and they don't fall, they're not too heavy, you know. So I went ahead, I did my own creation. I put some Velcro on the top of the toolbox, selected the size that I need to fit in my toolbox, and I went ahead, I did this, and I do this, and that's my station. It's pretty solid, stays. If anybody chooses to do something like that, make sure that you do something that's sturdy, because PVC is pretty flexible. I used another piece of material that makes it a little more sturdy. So all you gotta do is just put your station up when you walk, because when you go to the places, sometimes the space is limited and you gotta go in the corner in the bathroom somewhere. So pretty much you set your machine there, set up all your tools, you got enough space for your plates, and you don't need much space, as you know. You only need so much, you know, your space is limited. So you just set everything on that you need to work with on this space. When you finish, put it back. Take this out. Put it back in. One more. This right here. I put this also just to block and protect the arm so it doesn't get bent.
And you cut it just the right size to fit in your box too, huh?
I got some extensions here, but it fits just perfect. There it is.
Everything in its place.
Go like this. Collect the money and roll out. That's my.
And one of the biggest things with getting into